Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Pure electric scooter with puncture protection fluid. Got the box and pretty stoked. Everything looks well protected and wrapped. Get a look in there. Let's get it out. Here it is, unboxed, with a water resistance of IP65 rating, a max load of 120 kgs. That's the same as the pricier Pro. It's got a max range of 18.6 miles, or converted just under 30 kilometers off a full battery. These bad boys over here are 10 inches in diameter. Cool, so got it fully assembled now, and we got it busy charging. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. If you'd like to see any other videos and what it can do, comment below and I'll definitely make a video for you. Thanks for watching.